I mean, using Pipedrive is very. I have clarity into what I'm doing. I have clarity into where my deals are, what my deals are, and how my deals are looking. In Salesforce, it's like, maybe I'm not very good at Salesforce, and that's why I don't know this so well, but it's not always so clear. I've got to look around hard to understand what's going on. Whereas with Pipedrive, it's very clear in terms of what I have to do today, what am I doing next week, the contact information, the last things that happened, the next steps. I just wanted it all to be there, and that's what I do. I just reach out to people all day. That's my job, right? I don't want to have to land a freaking aircraft to find out what I need to do. I'm forced to use Salesforce, but Pipedrive is just a million times easier than Salesforce. It was like, I know that this is super awesome and easy, and then I'm forced to use something way harder and not easy. So I just have to click one deal and open the deal, and I see everything associated with that deal that I need to see. So there's clarity.